Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the volume button function in the camera in your OnePlus Pad. So when the first tab, open the camera app, now go to the settings by this little gear icon, and now just slide down and look for the volume button action. Just open it, and how you can see we can just change the volume with the in the camera app, take the photos and zoom in and zoom out. So figure the setup function, and now you can see I can zoom in and zoom out by the volume buttons, but maybe not on the front cam. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe and a comment, and goodbye.